Hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing great. First of all, I am so sorry that I was missing in action and I have not posted since 3 weeks. Yeah, it's almost 3 weeks now that I have not posted. So I have already filmed a Get Ready With Me where I have talked about the things that why I was not posting videos. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that why I was not able to post content and everything about the change of background and everything else. But today I'm making this video to just start to revive my makeup basket. So today is Sunday and I will be using products from Monday because I have already used makeup and I have already filmed a Get Ready With Me. So I will be using the products of makeup basket from Monday and it will be a bi-weekly makeup basket. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And if you don't know about makeup basket, then you can just, I'll link down a video of mine, the first makeup basket video where I have explained that what's makeup basket and why I'm doing this. Basically I want to finish off my products or at least use them half. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So starting off with the primer, we have these options, and out of these options I will be selecting 3 primers for this makeup basket. The first one I will be selecting is Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. Yeah, this is the primer. This is the first one. Second one I will be using this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. And the third one I will be selecting is this Milk Makeup Under Eye Cooling Stick. I use it as a primer only. So these are 3 options. So for foundations, we have these many options. I will be selecting 3 of them. The first one I will be selecting is NYX Total Control Drop. As you can see that it's almost finished, so I will be using this one. Second one will be Lotus Herbals Natural Blend Foundation. This is in the shade Sand and it's a darker shade for me. So to balance out this shade, I will be using this Laura Mercier foundation in the shade Tawny, which is also a shade lighter for me. So these are all the concealers I have with me, and I will be selecting LA Girl in the LA Girl one in the shade Medium Beige. I want to try this out. This is a new concealer. I have only swatched it, so I will be using this one only. And you know what, this concealer, the Swiss Beauty concealer, broke and I will be transferring it into some another jar. So this is the choice of concealer. So for eyebrows, I will be selecting these 3 out of all of the eyebrow products that I have. I have 5 eyebrow mascara, 3 eyebrow pomade, 4 eyebrow pomade and 5-6 eyebrows pencil. So out of all that collection, I will be selecting these 3. This is ABH Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brown. It is the Wet n Wild brow pomade in the shade Espresso, and this is the Makeup Revolution Pro brow pomade in the shade Granite. This is completely dried up, but I will revive it with the help of Duraline. So this is the eyebrow section. Now for highlighters, I have 5-6 highlighters and I will be selecting this one. This is by the Balm Mary Luminizer and this is the Sugar highlighter in the shade Bronze Bellwether. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is the battery of my camera died. But for eyeshadow, I have selected these 2. This is from Wet n Wild in the shade VI Purple and this is from Colourpop in the shade Big Poppy palette. I will have neutral shade as well as some colorful shades also. Blush, I have these 3 options. The first one is from Colourpop. It's their Cheek Dew Serum Blush in the shade Bubbles. The second is from Physicians Formula. It's their Stick Blush in the shade Natural Rose. The third one is from Color Bar and it's their Powder Blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet, one of my favorite shades. This will be my only mascara I will be using for the next 2 weeks. That is from Essence. It's their Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof Mascara. I will be using this mascara for 2 weeks so that I can review it properly for you all. My lipstick stash for this month. These are all the lipsticks under, this is not a lipstick, these are all the lipsticks under rupees 350, and I have already made a post, an Instagram post with the swatches of all the shades. You can check that out. I will link that in the description box. So out of these lipsticks I will be selecting all the lipsticks I have selected. I'll not be telling you the individual shade because I have already swatched them, so you can have an idea. Also, I post a makeup picture of mine every single day on my Instagram, and I have saved all of the looks by the name Everyday Looks on my story highlight, so you can check that out. Till now I have done, I think, 45 to 50 looks, basic simple looks, which I personally like a lot. So yes, and I'm sweating very badly. So yes, this is my makeup basket, and let me show you the final look. This is how my makeup basket looks like. I got this makeup storage box from Amazon for, I think, rupees 179 only. It's not that good, but good enough to store my makeup for 2 weeks, makeup of 2 weeks. So yes, this is the foundation, this is second foundation, this is the primer, this is the primer. It is also one foundation, eyebrow products, blush, eyeshadow, mascara, eyebrow product, and it has the lipsticks and some other blush, the stick blush. So I hope that you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.